Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can add text box in Google Docs, and I'm going to show you two ways actually how you can do this. And if you don't know what text box is, it lets you place text anywhere on the page, so it's good for maybe labels, sideboards or cover page designs. And if you want to create one, you just want to click on insert, and here we want to draw one, so I'm going to click on drawing, new. And here you can click on this text box and you can drag your mouse and drag it how big you want this. Then you can type your text. You can also customize it, so you can change font, you can make it bold, and then you can resize the box to fit text better. Also, you can change the width of the outline of the like the border of the box. You can also change the color over here. So let's say you can make it this pink or purple. Then click on save and close. And this is going to add it to your page. And this is how it looks. If you want to move it somewhere else, you just have to click on it. And you want to click on this wrap text. Then move with text and choose fixed position on page. And this is going to allow you to move it however you want. So you can place it where you want it. If you want to do different shape, maybe not this rectangle, but some kind of different one, you can click on edit drawing and you can create as well a text box from this shape. So you have different shapes here. You can have like triangles, you have circles, you can do even arrows. So let's say I can do this circle. If I double click on it, it's going to allow you to type text. You can do it like this. You can change maybe infill color, make bold text, save and close. And now this is going to be like inside, so both drawings are in one rectangle. If you want to remove this or make it separate, we have to create a new drawing. So I'm gonna remove this, save and close, and you have to again go to drawing, and here you can click on new to create a new shape. Okay, so this is the first way. There is also another way how you could possibly do this, and it's by creating table, one by one table. So if you go insert table and you can create one by one table, but there aren't as many editing options as with the drawing. So here I can only type text. I can also resize it, but the first way is better. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.